Hello everyone, I want to presentation this topic, how to write journal article 2, describing the topic in the module 4, English for general purpose. My name is Bagus Setiawan from Management. Correct journal article arrangement, title, abstract, preliminary, materials and methods, results, consultation reference, sample manuscript showing styles and formatting specification for journal papers, first authors, second authors, third authors, fourth authors, university name, faculty group, department, street address, city, country, postal code, company name, street address, city, country, postal code, keyword, article, writing, templates, journals. 1. Main requirement. These documents show the basic format and applications of a manuscript prepared for journals. Accept paper will be professionally typed. This template is intended to be a tool to improve manuscript clarity for the review. The final layout of the typed paper will not match this template layout. 1.1 Use of the template. Authors may use this Microsoft Word template by employing the relevant style from the style and formatting list, which is accessed from the styles group in the home ribbon. Flag 1. To view which style is being used any part of document, place the cursor on the line and look in the style list. If you are using Word, you can select format on the menu bar and reveal formatting to view the style palette. 1.2 English. Authors are strongly encouraged to follow the principle of sound technical writing. Manuscripts do not meet acceptable English standards or lacks clarity may be rejected. 1.3 Page setup and font. Top, bottom, left and right margin should be 1 inch. Use Times New Roman font. Throw the manuscript in the size and style shown in table 1. This is a sample. 2. Part of manuscript. The section describes the formal structure of a manuscript and how each part should be handled. 2.1 Title and author's name. The article title appears left justified at the top and the first page. This title font is number board. The rules for capitalizing the title are the same as for section. Only the first word, proper nouns, and acronyms should be capitalized. The list of authors immediately follows the title. The font is bold and the author's name are left justified. The author's affiliations and addresses follow the name in 10 normal font and left justified. The corresponding author should be identified with an asterisk and that person's email address should be provided below the keyword. 2.2 Abstract. The abstract should be summary of the paper and not an introduction, because the abstract may be used in abstracting journals. It should be self-contained and substantive in nature, presenting concisely the objective methodology uses, result obtained, and their significance, helpful guidelines for stronger abstract are available on the website of the journals. 2.3 Subject, terms or keyword. Keyword are recursive place provided 3 and 6 keyword relate to your paper. 2.4 Body of paper. The body of the paper consists of numbered sections that present in the main findings. The section should be organized the best present the materials. It's often important to refer back or forward to specific section. Such reference are made by introducing the section number, for example in sec 2 we sold, or section 2.1 contained a description. If the word section refers a question of figure starts a section, it is spelled out when occurring in the middle of a section. Those words are abbreviated sec, ref, h, and v. At the first occurrence of an acronym, spell it out followed by the acronym in parentheses. Just occur words. 2.4 Footnotes. Use textual footnotes only when necessary to present important documentary or explanatory material whose inclusion in the text would be distressing. 2.6 Appendices. Brief appendices may be included when necessary, such as demonstration of equation, proof of terms, and detail of algorithms. Equations and figures appearing in appendices should continue sequential numbering from earlier in the paper. 2.7 Disclosures. Conflict or interest should be disclosed under a spare header above acknowledgement. If the authors have no conflicting interest to declare, then a statement should be included describing no conflict or interest. 2.8 Acknowledgement. Acknowledgement and funding information should be added after the consolidation and before reference. Include grant number and the full name of the funding body. The acknowledgement section does not have a section number. 2.8 Code data and materials availability. Availability of code data and or material used in the research result reported in the manuscript may be declared under the heading Code Data and Material Availability following the acknowledgement section. Figure and tables. A. Figures. Figures are numbering in the order in which they are called out in the text. Figures should be embedded in the manuscript of the interior submission. Further detail about figure formation can be found in the author with liners for each journal. A figure caption list should be provided after the reference. B. Table. Table caption. B. Table caption are handled identically to those four figures, except that they appear above the table, and we call it out in the text. The word table is always spelled out. See table 1 for an example. C. Videos. Executable file format include MOV, MPEG, and MP4 are playable using standard media player such as VLC or Windows media players. The recommended maximum size for each video is 10 and 10 authors many insert a representative still image from the video fill the manuscript as a figure. The still image will be linked by the publisher to the actual video file, as will the caption label. Video 1. Example of a video still image. D. Formatting equation. Equation may appear in line with the text. If they are simple, short, and not of major importance, A, G, A, B, or C. Important equation appears on their own line. Formatting theorems. To include theorems in a formal way, the theorem's identification should appear in a 10-pt bold form, left justified and followed by a period. 2.10 Reference. The reference section lists book, article, and report. They are cited in the paper. The references are numbered in the order they are cited. Example of reference style are given at the end of this template. Authors' biographies and photographs. Authors' biographies and encourage, especially for primary and corresponding authors. Biographies should be approximately 75 words of paper. Biographs should be placed at the end of the manuscript. Personal information such as hobbies of birthday, pets, or birthday should not be included. First authors in an assistant professor at the University of Applied Engineering. He receives his BS and MS degrees in physics from the University of Option in 1985 and 19 representative and his PhD degree in option from the Institute of Technology. He is the author of more than 20 journal papers and has read 3 book chapters. His current research interests include optical interconnects, holography, and optoelectronic systems. He is a member of disclosures. Conflicts or interests shall be declared under a disclosure header if the authors have no relevant financial interest in the manuscript and no other potential conflict of interest to disclose. Acknowledgement. The undermarriage section is used to identify people who have aided the authors in accomplishing the work present and acknowledge sources of funding. Reference 1. G. Allred, City Broswa, and WE. Thank you for this presentation for me.